Control room, please report. Do you have visual?
Yes, I'm tracking the GPS signal, moving quickly south. Let me just check his profile. Yes, it's him. Ready for drone strike.
343 in pursuit. Drone 727 located the target. Drone 875 is closing in. Drone 727 preparing to engage.
Target is down. I'm sending you his location.
Another good job. Well done.
Application loading. Face scanning. Hello, Leon. I'm your personal facial expression learning program. Through this course, you will learn the general facial expressions. Let's start with a smile. Eyes closed, with a mild force. Prominent bulge below. Steep edge of cheek. Nose wings pulled upwards. Lips and skin around mouth follow teeth. Let's repeat. Lips and skin around mouth follow teeth. Congratulations, Leon. You are having a smile.
Oh, Mum, look what I found in the sand.
That's nice.
2 acorns. May I have that toy, please? Mum! Who is that man?
Oh, sorry. Sorry about that.
Thank you.
Welcome back to Word, Leon. Good to see you.
Thank you. And may flights of angels watch over you.
Facial recognition. Scanning. Facial recognition complete. Identity. Maya Weld. History. Unknown. Target entering. Old Street. City Gallery. Accessing. Uploading. Maya Weld. Located. Tracking your earlier movements from today. Uploading CCTV. Crime detected. crime detected. Launching facial identity scanner.
Sir, no eating in the gallery.
Excuse me,
Yes?
have you seen this girl?
No, I don't think so.
Uploading gallery CCTV archive. Accessing all suspects' movements within gallery, dating back the previous 3 months. Suspicious activity detected. Face match, Maya World. Suspect's location, Monarch Rooftop Terrace Restaurant. Uploading. Vision of suspect obscured. Requires additional surveillance. Drone 759 launch. Approaching target. Suspect on the move. Suspect leaving the vicinity.
Sector 14. Looks like I may have a suspect.
Received. Do you have a location, over? Control, copy. Do you have a location? Leon.
Sorry. It's okay. Wrong call.
Now let's try something more challenging. Some well-known facial expressions. Sean Connery. Good choice, Leon. A mild force and a prominent bulge below. Steep edge of cheek. Right side of lip pulls upwards. Hold with a slight overbite. Left eyebrow pulls downwards. Right eyebrow pulls upwards. Congratulations, Leon. You have now achieved emotional capacity level 4. Let's move to level 5.
Sector 7, 1 and 4, no criminal activity. Sector 5 and 9, no criminal activity. A security breach at the Old Street Gallery. Camera 1 disabled. Camera 2 disabled. Camera 3 disabled. Drone 656 launched. Drone, disengage. Are you sure you want to take this action? This action is above your clearance. I have been directed to terminate this session.
All units, move in. Suspect in custody, over.
Ooh. Looks like we've caught a little bird in the net. Send me her file.
Congratulations, Leon. You have now achieved emotional capacity level 5.